Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is September 27th, 2017, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, starting at 2:30 South African time, we've got U.S. numbers, durable good orders coming out from the United States. We'll take a look at that in just a second. But then we have also at 4:30 South African time, crude oil inventories coming out. That's a weekly number that's coming out. We'll look at that. And then at 5:45 South African time, Canadian dollar, Bank of Canada, Governor Poloz will be speaking. So that should affect the Canadian dollar. We'll look at that as well. So let's see what's been happening in the markets. So we're going to take a look here at the Euro USD. And if we look at it, we see that it's finally corrected itself after a nice rally since the middle of April. We've never had a correction of this size. So we're trading here at 1754 and we're closing in on this range right here that we were trading on. Okay, if we do break this 1750, we could certainly see it go down to about 16, maybe the high 115-ish level. I don't see that we'll be breaking 115, which is further down here. But after 3 bars, you may see yourself finding a correctional move on the upside right here. So take a look at this today as this unfolds. Dollar getting stronger across the board, but first starting out with the euro and affecting the euro the most. Now, if we look at the GBPUSD, looking at that has gotten stronger because it has receded as strongly as the Euro USD. So we're looking here at a retracement of 133. Possible retracement down to 133-ish level, the low 133-ish level, as we're hitting closer to this 132.48. That would be that would really be the next support level. I mean, we haven't been at these levels for quite some time, and as you can see, we hit this double top of 136. So let's see how much further the dollar can take the market on this correction move. Now, if we're looking at gold here, gold had a very volatile week this week already. Starting out the week, we came as low as 1290-ish level, 1300. We rallied on Monday. We sold off on Tuesday, and now we find ourselves back at this 1292 support level. Now, this is a major support level, and for those trading gold, this is actually a pivotal move. If we do break this further down, then we could definitely see it go down to 1274-ish level. But if we don't and we hold this, we could definitely see it continue to trade between the 1290-ish level and 1325-ish level, which I expected. Okay, especially now with rhetoric with South Korea, with North Korea, and some of the market rhetoric. We'll have to keep a sharp eye on this to see how this unfolds. Looking at oil, oil's getting stronger, $52 a barrel, and we're solidifying here. We may see ourselves closing in at this 53-ish level. Okay, we haven't hit higher than that, but we're going into the into the winter months now. Okay, in the northern hemisphere, oil is consumed the most out of the time of the year. So, if we're solidifying at the beginning of September, comes November, December, if there's not going to be a warm early fall, early winter, okay, then we could definitely see this going higher. Okay, so keep an eye on oil as this unfolds later today. USDCAD, and this is off Governor Poloz speaking later today, getting a little bit weaker here at $123, getting a bit stronger, like we mentioned before. So this has been a bounce that we've anticipated for quite some time. And as we hit this 30-day average, we may see if we don't break above it, might be a good short on the downside. Looking at the Aussie USD as well, correctional move under 78-ish level, which we had a support level there, and as you can see, we finally breached it. Next support level, 78.14. But again, you may see yourself finding a correctional move on the upside to rectify some of the correctional move that we've had until now on the downwards trend. So keep an eye on that as well. Dow Jones looking like it's getting weaker. Okay, at this moment we're up a little bit here, but we're only off about 100 points of our all-time highs. Okay, we're not, it's not bloodbath, it's not big sell-off anticipated. Okay, but the confidence is there. The markets are playing themselves out. North Korea and some of the rhetoric that's going internationally with Sir Donald Trump, the markets are still very resilient, very positive. Okay, now this can definitely turn on a dime, but you have to respect the trend while it's still, trending upwards. Okay, now we're just, we're churning down. Okay, this is not like a correctional move. You don't see that it's correctional move, but if we look at look how small that red move right is here relative to these massive moves that we had on the upside. So can this go further down? Yes, but at this present moment, we're still thinking a buy. Now, what is, compelling me to think this is that we've had this, gap up this morning on the DAX right here, and we're top of the move right here, okay? And if we don't break out higher, then we may go lower, okay? But if we do break out higher, then we could see maybe the Dow Jones continuing that trend upwards. Keep an eye on that as well. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading, and I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.